Have you written the problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Shannon-Fennos encoding procedure, okay? Okay. So, can you tell me, so based on the probability, I'm going to arrange the messages in the descending order, okay? So, can you tell me what is your highest probability value? 0.25, right? So, these two, 0.25, 0.25, okay? So, I'm going to write 0.25, 0.25 and 0.125, two probabilities, and then 0.0625. Maybe x1 and x6, okay? X2 and the last one, okay? The remaining are x3, x4, x5, x7. This is message, so probability, okay? Next is, so what is my first step? I should arrange the messages, okay? In the descending order, I'm going to arrange. So I have only, how many messages? 8 messages are given with the probability starting from 0.25 to 0.125, right? So I'm arranging this in the descending order, okay? So I'm going to apply binary alphabet for coding. Okay, so the procedure is I should divide the entire messages into two equal half, okay, group. I should divide every, because I'm using my coded alphabet is going to be 0 and 1, okay. Is 0 and 1 when it is binary, okay. So how to divide? The entire 8 messages I am dividing based on the probability. I am dividing this into two equal groups. Okay, approximately it should be equal. Is it clear? So shall I do in this way? So these two probabilities, when I add, I am getting 0.5. So the remaining will be 0.5. So I am going to allot 0 for one group. Okay. So the starting bit for these two messages are going to be 0. Okay. So whereas for this group, I am going to allot 1. Is it clear?
Sir, on what basis do we allot it?
See, when I am using coded alphabet, it's going to be binary, 0 and 1. Okay. So when it is 0, 1, I'm using for coding, I'm using 0 and 1. So I'm dividing this into two equal groups. Okay. When it is 0, 1. So sometimes when in the ternary, I can use 0, 1, 2, 3 now. So I should divide the entire message into three groups. Approximately, those three groups probabilities should be equal. Okay. So when you add these two, it is going to be 0.5. So for this problem, it is 0.5. Sometimes we may get 0.55 and 0.45. For one group, when you add the probabilities in the one group, so you may get 0.55. Another group maybe with 0.45. Right? Approximately it should be equal. Okay? So for one group I am going to allot 0. For other group I am allotting 1. Okay? Next. So this division I am going to do every time. Okay? And I am going to allot for one group I should allot 0. Next group I should allot 1. Okay? So now I am going to divide this into two equal half. Okay? Two groups, subgroup. What is the probability for this? So it is going to be 0.25. For this it is 0.25. So I should allot for the upper one, I am allotting 0. For bottom one, I am allotting 1. Okay? This is clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next, so in the same way, I am dividing this into two subgroups, okay, with approximately equal. Okay, I am dividing this into two equal half. Okay. So when I divide in this way, so I am allotting 0 for this group and for 1 for this bottom one. Okay. So 0 for this. So 1 is my next bit. So again, further division is possible for this group, right, subgroup. So I can divide this into two equal half. For the upper one, I am allotting 0. For bottom one, 1. So similarly, the last subgroup I am dividing, okay, into two equal half. Okay. So for this 0, 0 I am allotting. 1, 1 is allotted for this subgroup. So again, I am dividing this into two equal groups. So 0 and 1. So for this 0, 1. Is it clear? So now my code is ready. So what is my code for x1? It is 0, 0. Okay. For x6, 0, 1. x2, it is 1, 0, 0. x8, 1, 0, 1. I know the probability. So I can compute h of x with this 8 probabilities. Okay. So it is a double summation of p of xi, I varying from 1 to 8. Okay, log of 1 by p of xi base 2. So next L bar is summation of p of xi into ni or li. Okay, both are same. So how many bits we are going to use for coding each symbol? So that is li. So p of xi is this. So 2 into 0.5 will be first term. Okay, I will be varying from 1 to 8. So efficiency will be nothing but h of x by L bar log d. Okay, into 100 general. So d will be nothing but, if we are using binary alphabet 0 and 1, so then d will be 2. Okay. So sometimes I may use 3 coded alphabet 0, 1, 2. In such case, I should divide this into 3 equal group. Okay. So can you find out h of x L bar efficiency for this code? You can write separately x1. The code is going to be 0, 0. x6, so it is 0, 1. Okay, x2 will be 1, 0, 0. x8, 1, 0, 1. So first step is you should arrange the message in the descending order. Probability, based on the probability, the descending order you should arrange, and then divide, okay, this into two equal groups, because I am using binary, Shannon's Venno's encoding procedure with binary coded alphabets. Okay, 0 and 1 I am going to use for coding. Okay, can you tell me h of x and L bar efficiency value you are getting? So if anybody is not clear, yeah. So do you have any doubt in this part?
No, sir.
Ah.
Sir, L bar I'm getting 2.75.
L bar is
2.7.
2.7. 1 minute.
Yes.
I have already computed. Okay. 2.75, very good, correct. 2.75 bits it is, okay?
Yes.
HFX, how much? $2.75 again. So how to find out L bar? So it is a summation of P of Xi into Li. Okay, I is varying from 1 to 8. Have you got 100%?
Sir, log to the base 2 D means what's the parameter D, sir?
D is going to be how many bits you are using for coding, okay? Coded alphabet. Because I'm using binary, my D value is going to be 2, okay?
Yes, sir.
We are going to do with D3 also next problem.
Sure. The eta formula in the denominator, it's L bar into log D base 2, right?
Yeah, log D base 2 always. Now, because we are using coded alphabet, I'm using for coding, I'm using only 0 and 1. So my D is going to be 2. Coded, number of coded alphabet is 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Have you got 100%?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So next. So next we can do next problem, okay? Okay. So you are going to do, I'm not going to do it. Okay, I think I can skip the answer. Okay. Is it visible? Hey, I'm giving
Yes.
6 messages, okay? M1 to M6 with the probability. I'm giving 3 by 8, 1 by 6, 1 by 8, 1 by 8, 1 by 8, 1 by 12. Okay? Apply ternary partitioning. In bracket, I'm giving Shannon-Sveno, okay? Encoding technique. Okay? So what do you mean by ternary? D is going to be, we are going to use coded alphabets 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2, right? So first step is you should arrange the messages in the descending order first, okay? You first, what is 3 by 8 value? Okay, you calculate everything and then arrange the given messages in the descending order first. Then apply ternary partitioning technique. Okay. So what do you mean by ternary? You should divide the entire message into 3 groups. Okay, every time. You first find out the probability. I can do it. Okay. So you compute the value for 3 by 8, 1 by 6, 1 by 8, 3 times, and then 1 by 12. So 0.375. I hope everybody has written the problem. So can you tell me in the descending order?
So 0.375,
Very good.
then 0.167,
Yeah, 0.375, 0.167. Very good.
then 0.125,
Okay, fine.
again 0.125, and then 0.125, then 0.083.
Okay, very good. 0.083. You can write correspondingly x1, x2, and all. Okay, what is given? Sometimes maybe the problem it is given as M1. Nah?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
M1, M2 you can write. Okay, I'm not writing. Anyhow, so I'm dividing this into 3 equal group. Okay, approximately it should be equal. Okay, so I'm getting here 0.375. So when I add all the probability, sum is 1. It is going to be 0.33. Okay, approximately. So I'm dividing this into one group. Okay, is it correct? So next, by adding these 3, how much you are getting?
0.417.
Huh?
0.417.
417.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
0.417.
Approximately equal, sir.
So this one, by adding these 2.
The third group will not be equal, na, sir?
No, you first do it and then tell me. Okay.
Sir,
Point
last two is 0.208.
Yes, sir.
0.08. Okay. So you take first 2 and the last 3 and 0.167 plus 0.125, how much? 0.292 and 0.25 plus 0.083. Okay. So when I add these 3, okay, I'm getting 0.417. Next 2, I'm getting 0.208. Approximately these 2 are going to be equal, right? So here the difference is very high, right? Okay.
Yes, sir. First two and last three.
So first 2 add, last 3. Okay, when you add, you are getting this. So this will be approximately this is going to be 0.3, right? So in this way, I am going to. So I am dividing this into. Okay, in this way. Okay, what is my coded alphabet? It is 0, 1, 2. That is given in the problem. So when it is ternary, it is always going to be. Okay, D is going to be 3. Coded alphabet is going to be 3 alphabet. Okay. So when it is, sometimes we used to give D array. Okay. So that is 3 array or 4 array. So 4 array, I should use 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So when it is given ternary, no need to mention this coded alphabet and all. You have to take this alphabet and you should proceed the problem. Okay. Okay, so for understanding, I am giving this coded alphabet also. Okay, now can you divide this into, so 3 group I am dividing. So for first group I am allotting 0. Okay, for second group, all the coded alphabets are going to be begin with the same, okay, alphabet. Okay, 1, 1 I am allotting for second group. For third one I am allotting 2. Third group. Okay. Next, so further subdivision for the first group is not possible because I am getting a single message. Okay, so no need to do subdivision for this. This is over. Okay. Next, the second group again I should divide this into How many group I can divide? I have
Only
only
two,
two,
sir.
only two message. Only two is possible, right? So maximum will be 3, right? So only 2 is possible. So I'm allotting for my next bit will be first. I have to allot 0 first in the same order. For this, I should allot 1. Okay. So no need to allot 2 because I have only 2 messages. Now I have divided this into 2 subgroup with a single message. So further division is not possible now. Okay, next. What about this one? Last group. So is it possible to divide this into 3 group?
Yes, sir.
Ah,
3 subdivision.
okay, 0 for this, 1, 2.
2.
So the code for this message, you correspondingly write M1. Okay, I am not writing because we have changed the order, right? So the message with probability 0.167 is going to be coded by 10. Okay, for this message it is 1, right? So using this, I have to compute L bar, H of x, and then efficiency. Okay. Can you do? Have we completed? L bar H of x eta.
L bar is 1.625.
1 minute. I have already completed. Okay. Anyway, you're not done the problem. Okay. You tell me everybody is getting same answer, no issue. Okay. You tell me your L bar H of x eta.
L bar 1.625, sir.
Okay, 1.625. H of x, then efficiency. Efficiency will be H of x by L bar log D base 2 into 100. Okay. So 1.625 into log 3 base 2 into 100. H of x you have to put. Okay. Percentage.
92.7%, sir.
Very good. H of x how much, ma?
2.38.
Okay, 2.38. 92?
0.7%.
Okay. Log 3 base 2 only you're putting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 92.7%. What about others? Everybody got same answer?
92.6%.
Okay, 6, 7 are all no problem. Okay. Okay, you can do, I'm giving one more problem. You can do this, okay? I'm giving x1 is 0.3, 0.25. So sometimes the exact probability will be given, otherwise you have to find out that 1, 2, 2, 5, 5, okay. So apply, okay, apply binary. Apply Shannon-Spano binary. Shannon-Spano, or you can write with 2 array or plus 3 array, both you can do, okay? Okay. So can you tell me how to do for first binary? How to divide? I gave already in the descending order, okay? No need to do it. If it is not given, you should divide. Otherwise, can you tell me?
So we can group x1 and x3 and then remaining.
X1?
X1 and x3 we can group and then remaining as the second group.
No. I
Sir,
should
no, as
always. No,
sir,
in the
X1,
descending
X2
order I
remain.
should arrange
Okay,
and
okay,
then I should divide. Right?
Sir,
So then
X1,
x1,
X2 and
x2
remaining
and
all.
remaining.
X1, X2 will be one group. Right?
Yes, sir.
So 0 for this. So 1 I have to allot. First bit will be 1 for this group. The next, how to divide? These two. So 0 and 1. What about this? 2, 2, 1, 3.
So we can have 0 for x3 and then remaining as 1.
Correct. So 2, then 2, 5, right? So when I take this, it is going to become 0.32 and 0.13. The difference will be more. Okay. So 0 for this, 1. Okay. Next.
So 0.012 and remaining.
Very good. 1, 2, 0, 1, 1. 0, 1. You can find out h of x, L bar, log, okay, efficiency. Anyway, h of x will be same. So next, this is for 2 array binary. Otherwise, coded alphabet is 2. Okay. So next for ternary or 3 array, I am going to do again. Same problem. So 0.3, 0.25, 0.12, 0.08, 0.05. Can you tell me how to divide this into 3? So 0.3 will be 1, right? So 2, 7. How to divide? Yes.
Sir, first, second, and rest all.
0.45. So remaining will be how much? 25. When you take separately, again you will get same, right? 25 and then 27. Five, 2, 3 to 4. 4, 5 again.
So I think so 4 groups will be more appropriate here, so instead of 3.
No. Given is D is 3, right? You can use only 0, 1, 2. Okay?
So but then the difference is very big.
That is not a problem, right? So if it is ternary or D is 3, you should do only division should be done by 3 only. approximately equal. It is not necessary that it should be equal. Okay?
No, but sir, 4, 5 and 2, 5, the difference is of 0.2, which is big, sir.
So you don't bother about it. This is the procedure. Okay? So I am dividing this two, right? Okay? So I can allot 0 for this group. So for this one, so next group I should allot first alphabet will be 2. So next further division for this is not possible. Whereas in this group I have only 2 messages. I can divide this into 2. Okay? So it is 0, 1. So whereas this I can divide into 3 group, subgroup. So 0, 1, 2 I can allot. Okay? So using this I can get efficiency. Okay, try to complete this problem. Okay.
Sir, how about taking first, second, and rest all, sir?
Yeah, you compute and tell me. Okay. So can you compute and tell me? You take that also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I can create a team, okay, form. Okay. For attendance.
Sir, what's the syllabus for CAT 1?
Syllabus will be maybe till Huffman. Source coding till Huffman. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So kindly enter your attendance.
Sir, can I tell about my approach now, sir?
Which one, sir?
Sir, here you took first and then second, third, and then rest all, no, sir. You got 0.3, 0.45, and 0.25.
No,
But if
1
you
minute,
take-
1 minute, 1 minute.
Okay,
So,
sir.
this is over. Second problem.
This one only, sir, I'm talking about.
How much?
Ternary. Sir, not the answer, sir.
Hmm.
It's a different difference of taking the numbers.
How we are taking?
Sir, first, second, first and then second, and then rest all.
First,
First, second, and then rest all, sir.
no, sir, are you doing binary or ternary?
Ternary, sir.
No, ternary, no, you should always divide this into 3 groups, but then how we are dividing this into?
Not 2, sir. First and then second, and then rest all. So 3 groups.
Can you tell me what is
0.3,
0.3?
comma, 0.25,
Ah,
and then in third group, rest all will come, sir.
what do you mean by 0.25? How much? Oh,
So
0.25. Next,
0.45, this will come.
4, 5.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And as per your approach, 0.3, 0.45, and then 0.2.
Okay, so this will be 0.3, 0.45.
So the order has changed, sir. So can we consider that?
That's why, sir, for your coding, can you tell me what is the code you are getting, and then find out efficiency, okay, and tell me.
Okay, sir.
Huh? I think you may get same efficiency. This my guess. You check. So all of you enter your attendance. I have given the link, okay, the chat box. Enter your attendance first. Okay, you can do it in the room also. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Tell me, sir.
Sir, what is CAT1 model, sir? How many questions will be given?
So as per the circular, we have to give 4 questions. Okay, totally 8 questions will be given.
Okay.
I think, sir, fact you are writing, no, the same order, it will be shuffled then, okay?
Yes, sir. Is it for 30 marks? Like how many questions will be given?
I am telling you, say, totally, say, for 30 marks, 3 questions will be given. Okay, choice, including choice, it will be 4, okay?
Okay, sir. Okay.
So 1 question will be choice, okay?
Okay, sir.
The fact how we are conducting the same way we are conducting in the code tantra also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Ah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So each question may be 10 marks.
Okay, sir.
So for the 2 array, it is 99.16 and 3 it is 87.59.
How much?
So for the 2 array, it is 99.16%.
Efficiency, how much you are getting?
Yes,
For both?
99.16.
For both, you are getting same?
No, sir. So for the second one, it is 87.59.
87, huh?
Yes, sir.
Second one, 87 point?
59.
First one?
99.16.
99.16. You just compare and tell me. So you take one more problem also. The same way do it, okay? And then come back, okay? So you can assume your own probability value and all. But when you add all the probability, sum is always going to be 1, okay? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So with this I can stop, okay, because already 40 minutes is over, okay?
Hello, sir.
Sir,
have you declared quiz date? Quiz 1 date?
Question will be immediately after CAT 1, okay?
Okay, sir.